The biggest pain point that the company had was the lack of forward visibility from a planning perspective. So we didn't have the ability to simulate what our future inventory would look like at the finished goods level or at the raw materials level. Now with the John Galt implementation, we can actually model based on the demand forecast what the inventory plan looks like well into the future. So we're actually, in our company, we're looking out 12 months on a rolling basis. My overall experience with the implementation was actually quite positive. I was heavily involved on the inventory management implementation, starting from preliminary design all the way to detailed design, and then working with the John Galt team on developing the product to meet our needs. We publish out-of-stock reports to the sales team and to the business on a weekly basis. These reports were done manually by pulling data from the ERP system, doing VLOOKUPs, doing some data manipulation. With John Galt and the data residing in one system across a multi-divisional platform, we're able to run these reports automatically because of the fact that the data is all together in one place. So we probably saved, just in that one project alone, we probably saved about, I'm going to say 20 man-hours per week of effort. We are now using the same platform for demand management and inventory management, so the data flow is very seamless, and it's using common tables. So my team, which is inventory management, now has access and visibility into what our forecast bias has been over the past few lags, or 3 or 4 months. So we basically measure forecast accuracy on lag 2, but now we can see what our forecast was, lag 3, lag 4, etc. From my perspective, the IME solution, or the inventory management solution, was fairly configurable and fairly flexible to meet our needs. At the same time, we had to do some process changes on our end to ensure we're capturing best practices. To allow us to fit with what the offering was. So there was some flexibility, some changes that needed to happen on both ends, but we worked our way through it and came out with a positive result.